Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate subscription billing with Chargify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate subscription billing with Chargify, start by creating a Chargify account. Visit the Chargify website and sign up for a free trial. Once you've registered, log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the interface. Click on the Products tab in the main menu. Select Add a Product to create your first subscription offering. Fill in the product details such as name, description, and billing model. Choose the type of billing frequency that suits your needs, whether monthly or yearly. Set the pricing for your subscription plan. After filling in the product information, click Save. Next, move to the Customers tab to add a customer. Click on Add a Customer and enter their details, including name and email. You can also set up customer-specific billing options if needed. Once the customer is added, navigate back to the Products section. Find your newly created product and click on it to manage subscriptions. Select Create Subscription to commence the automated billing process. Link the customer to this subscription by entering their email. Configure the subscription settings such as trial period and promotional discounts. Review all details and click Create Subscription. Your subscription is now active, and the billing process will automatically kick in. To monitor subscriptions, go to the Subscriptions tab. Here, you can view, edit, or cancel any active subscriptions. For further customization, explore additional settings in the Settings tab. Consider setting up invoices and notifications to automate communication with customers. Make sure to test your system by creating a test transaction to ensure everything works smoothly. With these steps, you've effectively automated your subscription billing with Chargify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.